DIY decorators, one of the things I loved most about owning a boutique in New York City was creating a different window display every week. My assistants and I would create lamps to match the dresses and use whatever we could to make people stop in the street and take interest in the store. Well, today on Make Your Mark, we are making a huge daisy lamp similar to the lamps I used to make for my window displays many years ago. We're using Grafix craft plastic and putting it together with E6000 Plus so it lasts and lasts. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a daisy lamp. Google colorful daisies for inspiration and make sure to practice on regular paper before you start on your craft plastic sheets. Daisies consist of two flowers combined into one. The inner section is called the disc floret and the outer petal section is called the ray floret. Because daisies are composed of two flowers that blend together so well, they symbolize true love along with innocence and purity. Daisies have been around since 2200 BC, when the ancient Egyptians grew them in their gardens and used them as herbal medicine. Using an eco-friendly bulb is always a good idea when you're making your own lamps. They don't give off any heat and they come in a range from warm yellow light to cool blue light. Consider attaching a leafy vine to camouflage the cord. Make several daisies in different colors and turn them into a hanging garden. Only one has to be a lamp and the rest can be just for show. I'm going to leave a link to Grafix and E6000 in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like them and I will see you next week. Bye.